Hi everyone, today I will show you how to give access to the developer on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along, so with that, let's get started. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select the Users option. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Add Users button to initiate the process. Note that if you see a yellow warning banner stating you have reached your user limit, you cannot add more users with admin access on your current plan. To bypass this, you can click on Plan in the left menu to upgrade your Shopify subscription, or you can ask your developer to send a collaborator request instead. However, if you have available user slots, you will enter the email address of your developer in the provided field. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Roles section and click on the Assign button. From the options list, select the App Developer role or choose the Online Store Editor role depending on what your developer needs to work on. Finally, click on the Save button to send the invitation. Your developer will receive an email invitation to access your store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to give access to developer on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.